What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your brother, Dr. Curry, aka KOBK Salute. This video was brought to you today because of some inquiries about one of my dominating strategies. This strategy, I'm going to literally walk you guys through just to show you guys exactly how powerful and how dominant this strategy really is. This strategy is precise. And with it, I'm going to show you exactly how to execute trades at a rapid 10 seconds per trade. Now, the goal is to go 5 to 7 trades in a row without losing a trade, but that's going to require the market to do exactly what I needed to do. I've already checked the currency strength meter. I've already checked the news for what's going on. So I decided to switch over to the OTC market. Reason being, the OTC market is always open. I do have my brother on the call with me today. You guys might know him as Logic. Me personally, I know him as Dr. Logic Beffley Mix. My brother, Dr. Beffley, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. What's good, man?
How you feeling today? How you feeling?
Oh, man, it's already, man. I love it, man. It's always high energy. When me and you work together, man, you already know what it is. You know what I mean? So, hey, looking forward to having a wonderful, successful session. Let's get it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the market and see if I can find the perfect pair so we can execute these trades. So now that we have our pocket options platform on, the idea is to find a pair where we can go ahead that looks like a really, really good setup. So currently I'm over here, I'm looking at my currency strength meter, looking at my trading view right now to see what's going on, what I want to trade. And if I don't see anything right now, I'm just going to be patient. I'm not going to rush the trade. I'm just going to take my time and really wait for the setup. And you guys out there know patience is key when we're doing this.
Very important.
There we go. Ooh, look like we got a little something. Look like we got a little something. Look like too many spikes right here. So when I see candles like this right here with huge spikes like this, I'm not going to take the trade. Just going to be patient. Just going to be patient. So today we're on 15-second candles. We're taking 10-second trades. We'll be executing trades at $735 today. You guys can see the account. Like there's no gain. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. This one actually look like it's trying to set up. I think I'm gonna take this one. I need it to clear over here. We'll see if we can get a nice little run, possibly on this one.
Yeah, look, I ain't about to tell you twice. We on different levels and you better get the balance right. We not eye to eye, we are not alike. You couldn't even be me in another life. Don't hit me on my phone, yeah, I'll get back when I'm posted. They wanna blackmail cause they see I'm going posted. I've been at the top since I came over. I've been in control, yeah, it's game over. Born great, no, I ain't asked for it. Chasing the throne,
Music
I'm coming back
licensing
for it.
reimagined.
I never quit, fading the black for it. Never hang it up, I need a black for it. Right or wrong, you can try to fake it, it won't last long. Right or wrong, running down the cup, but it's the team strong. I would never let up, I would last
Try that
struggle.
one right there. Then I'm gonna take another one at 10 if it's still below.
That
Another
was a
one.
good move. That one gonna clear.
Yes, sir. Wait for
It's a
this
clear.
next candle. Good, good, good. That one. Boom, taking that one.
Strong momentum too.
Come on, get up
That's a
there.
clear.
Get up there.
Another clear.
Got money back. There she goes. She pulled back right there. And take this one as well. Need more momentum. See like she's dying out. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Good, good. Look for another one. Three, two, one. Boom. Ah, I wanted that jump. There we go. We'll take that one. Get up there. That's at 10. We're still above, so I'm good. Oh, pull back inside the candle. Just be patient. Four, three.
Clear.
I'm gonna take that one too. Mm-hmm.
Well, look how strong the momentum is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's another one. I'm not gonna take that one. Mm-mm. Be patient. There we go. Cleared above, close above. This might be a risky trade. I'm not gonna take it. Patience, patience. She's getting ready to reverse. Getting ready to reverse. I'm gonna look for another one. We're done with her. Done with her. What else we got? That was actually a good amount of trades. Ain't even gonna cap. Here we go.
Nice.
Here we go. Here we go. There it is right
You're looking
there.
for that buy, right?
I'm switching. I'm switching. I'm going here. 10. I'm entering that trade now. Get in there. There we go. I needed to close above. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Taking another
Clear.
one. Yep. Get up there. Yep. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see how powerful this is, you can see the power in how you can earn in 10 seconds. It's another clear.
Taking one more. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm done. I'm done. That's enough. That's enough. I ain't taking no more. But anyway, y'all, that's how we get down over here.
It's
Granted,
crazy.
could have took more. And the reason I say we could have took more because I can literally go through all of these and really just find the right setup and take that trade. But I think you guys have truly seen enough. Guys, this is the 10-second strategy. You guys have already seen the 5-second strategy, and we have many more. Logic, go ahead, bro. Hit them with it. Hit them with it. What you got for the people?
You know, what I really love the most is, you know, your skill set, the skill set in general. You know, if you want to be able to trade at a magnitude like this, it takes skill set, you know, and I love the way you confident in knowing exactly what that market is doing. That's crazy to me. You know what I mean? So as people can see, you, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we can't make this up. That's what Dr. Curry always say. We can't make this up. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, in your face. And he could have kept going. He could have kept going. But at the end of the day, you don't have to be greedy. He made his quota under, if a person was making 700 and something bucks an hour, you just made 700 and something bucks in 10 seconds. If a person was making $700 a week, you just made $700 in 10 seconds. If you was making 700 and something bucks a day, you just made that in 10 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, let that resonate, right? That this is real and we're not playing games, right? It's your boy Dr. Logic mixed with the great Dr. KOBK, Dr. Curry. You know what I'm saying? I'll pass it back to you. I'm excited. I just can't wait to, you know, get off and pick your brain a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm still a student as well. So you already know what it is, brother.
Man, most definitely. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to share with them the trade history. I know they've seen it live, but I want to share with them the trade history.
Oh, here it
So
come. Let me roll a before you do. Well, you already got it out, but that. Well, actually, you did some for 1,400, some for 7,000. Oh my God, bro! Look at that. Look at that. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
So we started right here. I did these before I got on the call earlier. These right here, 5K trades right here. Yeah. And a couple thousand, then a five. But everything on the call from what we just did started right here. So we went one,
Come on, ladies and
2,
gentlemen.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we went 8 and 2.
Like Dr. Curry said, we can't make this up. Can't make this up, ladies and gentlemen. This is phenomenal work, man. You know what I mean? I mean, who wouldn't want to be able to gravitate to this? So trust me, if y'all want this, you're gonna have to bring your people in because this is, hey, you're gonna have to bring your people to get this exclusive. You know what I'm saying? Because we don't want to talk about how much it's gonna cost. So hey, we don't want to go there. So hey, you might want to bring your people in so you can get access to this exclusive training. Exclusivity is everything. You get to get on with Dr. Curry, myself. Shouts out to our brother Chef Yarnezy, who's not with us right now. But at the end of the day, Dr. Curry is that dude. So hey, you see what it says? Knocked out by knowledge. You better get knocked out cold by it if you want to learn this 10-second strategy, baby. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.